this is my Roblox Gorilla Tag video, and I'm on cell phone. Wait, my headphones. Okay. So now we're going. Wait. So now we're going there. We're going up. Wait, let me fix my AirPods. Okay. We are going there. Yeah, we're going here. No, I'm scared. I'm scared. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, my AirPods. Yo. Oh my god, it's so loud. Why is it super loud? Why is it super loud? Okay. Let me turn it off so I can. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Hello. So many people out here. So many people out here. I don't wanna get scared. Wait, is that a burger head? Wait, okay. So we good. We are good. We're doing good. Oh, what the hell? What is this blood doing? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! How did bro take that out? Oh, let's go back. I don't care, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, the end game. I don't know what's about that. Official channel. Good Productions. Oh. So can I also be a developer? I have never been a developer. Can you also add me? Like, look, this is me. This is me right now. That's me. So add me if you can. Yo, hello. Hello, bud. Yo, are you subscribed to me? Oh my god, how did I dodge that? Oh my god.